Imagine yourself living on the 20th floor on this beautiful Dwarka Expressway. Today we're going to cover a very special project which is located bang on Dwarka Expressway in Sector 104. Yes, this is the Hero Homes Palatial. You're going to get palace-like feels in this beautifully built high-rise by Hero Homes and Hero Realty. This is the Sector 104. Standing on a whopping 43-floor elevation on a total land patch of 11 acres, having 5 towers, we're going to showcase to you a very beautiful sample apartment that you would love visiting. Come on, let's check it out. We're inside the sample of a 4.5 BHK, which is at a size of 3,457 square. एक boxy apartment है जिसमें 4 rooms हमारे यहाँ पे है और 4.5 का जो half BHK है, that is the servant quarter or the study room, which is also very big in size. मैं आपको इस वीडियो में दिखाऊंगा. So stick to the end of this video. Do also like this video and support our channel, subscribe to the channel so that we can grow and show you these amazing virtual tours so that बहुत easily आप घर पे बैठ के अपने choices को filter out कर सकते हो. Now let's start with the tour of this beautiful drawing and dining space. So before we begin with the sample apartment tour, I want to give you some specifications. Your apartment can be customized in 13 different styles. So we have 3 styles which have 4 other variants, which is the Indian Revival theme, European Classical theme and the Modern Contemporary theme. This is the Modern Contemporary theme for the sample apartment which we are now showcasing to you. Let's start with this beautiful drawing and dining space. And this is such a beautiful layout, guys. 3 रूम हमारे यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं पीछे के साइड पे, एक गेस्ट रूम आगे आ जाता है जो कि पाउडर रूम के साथ कंबाइंड है. एंड लेट मी ऑल्सो शो टू यू द एंट्रेंस ऑफ द फ्लोर ऑफ दिस अपार्टमेंट. फ्लोर ज़्यादा कवर करते हैं ना तो फ्लोर की आदत पड़ी हुई. अब हम अपार्टमेंट्स भी दिखाएंगे. दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंट्रेंस एंड यहाँ पे भी इट इज़ कनेक्टेड विद द सर्वेंट क्वार्टर एरिया. सो यू कैन लॉक दिस स्पेस एंड आपका सर्वेंट क्वार्टर इजीली यहाँ पे एक्सेसिबल है. आपको एक एडेड लेवल ऑफ सिक्योरिटी मिल जाती है. Now let's start with the tour. We're gonna start with the guest room which is on the front hand side. This is the first bedroom and इसमें जो हमको specifications मिलने वाली, मैं आपको हर अपार्टमेंट में बता देता हूँ कि हमको ACs मिलने वाले हैं. False ceiling will be done by the builder. Wardrobes will be provided by the builder. Bathrooms will be fully done up and the kitchen will also be fully done up, and you can customize the shutters of the wardrobe as per your color preference. Come, let's start this tour of the guest room. नहीं, बहुत ही अच्छा decent size है. यहाँ पे फर्नीचर लग के भी हमको पता चल जाता है कि कितनी स्पेस हमारे पास वॉक अराउंड करने के लिए है. वॉर्डरोब्स हमको मिलने वाली है. मैंने आपको बताया था शटर्स का कलर, एक कलर पैलेट आपको दिया जाएगा at before handover. You can get your apartment customized as per your color preference. This, have a look at this amazing powder washroom or the washroom which is connected with the guest bedroom. अब हम क्विकली आ जाते हैं अपने मंदिर रूम. हमको मंदिर रूम भी एज इट इज मिलने वाला है. दिस एंटायर थीम, द वेनियर थीम एंड द ग्लास थीम दैट यू आर हैविंग लुक एट, हमको एग्जैक्टली वही मिलने वाला है. स्टोरेज स्पेस भी यहाँ मिलने वाली है. तो हमको एक बहुत अच्छा मंदिर स्पेस मिलता है. ओपनेबल स्पेस अगर आपको क्लोज करना है तो आप यहाँ पर अपना एक शटर भी लगा सकते हो. डाइनिंग प्लेसमेंट तो आपने देखी ली. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द किचन विच इज जस्ट प्लेस ऑपोजिट टू द डाइनिंग टेबल. Kitchen is very nice in a rectangular shape and this comes with all the white goods. Faber और equally good brand जो वहाँ पे at the time of handover आपको बताया जाएगा, comes with all the white goods and you can change the color of the shutters in the kitchen as well. And kitchen जो है हमारा connected है servant quarter से या study room से. Now let's have a look at the first bedroom which is on the back end side. 3 bedrooms है, हम यहाँ पे first bedroom cover करते हैं. So in general by default you will get a nice fall ceiling, POP fall ceiling है. Lights भी आपको लगा के मिलेंगी. Whatever wall panels or wall designs that you having a look at, it's part of the interior package which comes at an additional cost and this is being done by Homelane. वो हमको 2-3 तरीके की हमको पैकेजेस मिलने वाले हैं जिसमें आप अपना इंटीरियर करा सकते हो अपने घर का, जिसमें TV panels, wall panels, very nice designer fall ceiling which includes veneer panels on the roof as well. वो भी सब included होता है. And you just have to bring your clothes and yourself inside this apartment. You will get the furniture also in that interior package. Now let's have a look at the wardrobes and this bathroom. This has a very different theme. Please do have a look. हर रूम के साथ ना हमको balcony attached मिलने वाली है और वो 6 feet wide balcony है. Now come let's have a look at the second bedroom. Let me showcase to you this beautiful master bedroom. ये master bedroom का size इतना अच्छा है guys. 17 by 13 का size है and इसमें आपको अगर आप interior package लेते हो तो आपको wall panels and even if you want any kind of theme that you want to customize, even the wardrobe shutters, because इसमें हमको एक walk-in wardrobe मिलने वाला है. अगर मैं आपको इंक्लूजन्स की बात करूँ, इसमें फॉल सीलिंग मिलेगी, ट्रैक लाइट्स मिलेंगी, स्ट्रिप लाइट्स मिलने वाली हमको इस फ्लोर में. सी अगेन फ्लोर निकल गया मुंह से, बट ये अपार्टमेंट है, सो माय बैड गाइस.
So sorry.
कम लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल वॉक इन वार्डरोब स्पेस एंड दिस मास्टर वॉशरूम. मास्टर वॉशरूम में हमको एंटी स्किड टाइल्स मिलने वाली है फ्लोरिंग पे एंड वी हैव दीज नॉर्मल इलेक्ट्रिफाइड टाइल्स ऑन द वॉल एंड all the bath fittings and sanitary ware are gonna be from a brand Kohler, which is very popular and very well maintained. मेरे हिसाब से the best amenity जो इस अपार्टमेंट में है वो है wrap around balconies. 6 feet wide balconies तो है ही. एक wrap around balcony इतनी spacious है कि आप पार्टी भी होस्ट कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Now let me showcase to you the third bedroom which is on the back end side. This is a fairly small room, तो आप इसको kids bedroom भी बना सकते हो. So have a look at the expanse of this. थोड़ा सा इसमें wardrobes भी included है. मेरे को एक अच्छी बात इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में ये लगी है कि हमको इसमें wardrobes, fall ceiling, track lights and all those fans and everything, they're all included by default from the builder's side. And we have a very nice way to customize it as per our own convenience. So आपको एक layout apartment का 4.5 BHK का तो समझ में आया होगा. So this is something which is very unique. Let me give you a brief about the clubhouse amenities and everything else which is also being provided to us. The clubhouse is very massive guys. It's 56,000 square feet. It's triple heighted and you get all such amenities that you get in a ultra luxurious project, which includes the paddle, pickle, a badminton court, and you have an outdoor gym as well as an indoor gym. The indoor gym is in collaboration with Cult, and also you have a very nice commercial belt which is by Hero Realty, which is just outside the project, and this is a TOD land parcel of 11 acres. It has 5 towers and this is a medium to low density project in my opinion, because it has approximately 60 to 62 apartments per acre. I hope you loved the walkthrough, and if you want to have a site visit, if you want to have a look at the floor plan or even the master layout plan, or want to have a look at the brochure, please call us on the number which is mentioned below. You can mention us in the comments as well, and we will definitely get back to you for the site visit. This is your host, Dhruv, signing off.